Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Modern Warfare 3 custom classes not working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So these are some simple troubleshooting steps on what you can do, on how you can do or fix the Modern Warfare issues on the custom classes. So first, you can try and remove cold-blooded perk. So sometimes this perk causes issues, so just try taking it off your loadout temporarily. And then you can also adjust zombies mode settings. So turn off free loadout option in zombies mode or join and leave a zombies lobby. So this might help reset your loadouts. And then next is you can create or you can try recreate custom loadouts. So to do this, go to your create a class, delete the affected class, and make a new one from scratch and then just save. And then next, what you can do is to clear game cache. So for PC, delete the app cache folder in the Steam's installation folder after closing the game and Steam. And for consoles, just restart them after clearing the system cache. And then next, you can try and remove certain gear. So create or in a create a class, take off glove or ghost gloves and hijack IFF strobe gear. So they might be causing the issue, and you can also try copy and replace loadout. So duplicate the loadout over an empty class. You're seeing the copy and replace option in the create a class. And then you can also try to check for game updates. So just make sure that your game is up to date because sometimes updates fix this kind of issues. Then lastly, what you can do is to contact customer support, and because none of this work or this mentioned or this fixes worked, you can get in touch with the Modern Warfare 3 support for more help. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.